Hi guys! In this tutorial I'm going to share with you some material I created the other day. I really like the way its texture looks. It reminds me of plasma. Let's get to it. Let's quickly create a geometric shape. Add a camera. Before we create the material, let's change the color of the world to deep blue. Now let's create the material. In fact, it is simple to create. You can customize it, since it is procedural. Thanks for watching. I suggest you watch my recent animation tutorials. I think you will enjoy them.